Let's see another set of data interpretation here. Okay, there's a big detail actually which is given here. Okay, and then following this there are some questions here. Let's understand carefully here. See here, it reads, according to the estimates of the World Inequality Report 2022, in India, men earn 82% of the labor income. Okay, whereas women earn 18% of it. Okay, so here what are we comparing? We are talking about this one, labor income. Okay, among this one, in that labor income here, okay, 82% is actually given to men and the remaining 18% is given to women here. It reads, a woman agriculture field laborer. Okay, now here when we talk of laborers here, labor income, it can include in different categories here, but now specific he is telling this one, in that agricultural field laborers, women make how much? It is 88 per day, lesser than the male counterpart here. Okay, so each woman earn in this one, agriculture field laborers here, okay, the women earn 88 per day less than the male. Okay, next one, according to the Ministry of Agriculture data for 2021 here, 2020 to 21 here, while a man is paid 383 a day on an average, a woman makes a mere 294 a day here. Okay, while a man makes this one 380 okay a day here on average, woman makes this one. The gap in their daily wages is more than the cost of 2 kilograms of rice. Okay, so whatever gap we are getting here, that is the cost of actually of 2 kilograms of rice. Fine. This gap differs from state to state. Field laborers, for instance, make most of the money in Kerala. Okay, while the man gets 789 per day, a woman is paid 537 here. Okay, while this is the highest amount paid to a woman laborer in a state, it is also 252 lesser than what her male counterpart was paid. Okay, of course we are not going to memorize all these values here, but we'll just try to identify what different categories are there here. Okay, as soon as we read the question here, we'll try to identify which part of the detail actually, okay, helps answer the question. We'll try to identify that one and then work accordingly here. Now further, please see, it reads, another statement given, as of 2021, okay, the Tamil Nadu has got a highest gender wage gap here among the agriculture field. Now here there is another detail here. It is talking of the, okay, gender wage gap. Okay, gender wage gap here. Okay, Tamil Nadu has got the highest value here for this gender wage gap among the agriculture field laborers at 112% here. Okay, at 112%. It is followed by how much? It is Goa. So what does this mean? Okay, this 112% which you are talking of here, that means the male persons here are getting 112% more than the female persons here. Okay, how do we know this one? Okay, earlier we see this one in the previous statement, we have seen this one, that okay, that male, okay, they make something more, okay, their wages are something more here. Okay, so that gender wage gap which you are talking of here, okay, it is given as how much? It is 112% here. Okay, so it implies that male, this one counterparts here, they are getting 112% more than the female counterparts. That way we'll tell it. Okay, it is followed by Goa, 61% here. Okay, the gender wage gap is highest in Tamil Nadu, and the next highest we will see it in Goa here, and Kerala, of course. Okay, it is followed by Goa, 61%, and Kerala here. The wage gap is the lowest in Jharkhand and Gujarat, 6% each. Okay, next one. But the women laborers there get paid how much? It is 239 and 247 per day respectively. So here I can tell this one. Okay, for Jharkhand the value, okay, for that woman is how much? 239, and for Gujarat it is how much? It is 247. Correct? So this paragraph actually deals with this one, the gender wage gap here among this one in the different states here. Next one. For that next, it reads, men earn more than a woman across all forms of the work. Okay, so men are earning more than a woman here. The gap greatest for the self-employed. Okay, for self-employed people here, okay, this one, male are seen to be earning much more. Okay, in 2023, male self-employed workers earned 2.8 times that of a woman. Okay, mind it. Here this paragraph now is talking about 2023. Earlier paragraph talks of this one 2021. Okay, 20 to 21 here, like that. Okay, 2.8 times that of a woman here. In contrast, male regular wage workers earned 24% more than the woman, and male casual workers earned 48% more. Understand? Here is telling this one here. Okay, male regular wage workers. Okay, some detail is given. Regular wage workers earned 24% more than the woman, and male casual workers earned 48% more. Okay, understand? These ones here, these complete, all these, both these lines here, they're actually talking of this one among this self-employed people only here. Right now? Okay, in the year 2023 here. Next one, please see, it reads, the gender gap in earnings is still a persistent phenomena. However, there are differences in the trends here. The gender gap here has increased for self-employed workers while falling for regular wage workers here. Okay, it says this one has increased for the self-employed workers while falling for the regular wage workers here. Male regular wage workers earned 34% more than the women from 2019 to 2022. Okay, with a gap falling from 24%, gap falling to 24% in 2023 here. Okay, a lot of description is given here, but let us see here. Okay, what are the following questions here, and which part of the detail actually is required? Let's try to find it and then answer the questions here. Now see this first question. It reads, if the female casual worker earns 200 per day per hour. Okay, question number 115, it reads, if a female casual worker earns rupees 200 per hour, what is the hourly wage of a male casual worker, given that male casual worker earns 48% more than the female casual worker? Please see here. Okay, what do we know? We know something, this one, that a female casual worker, okay, female casual worker earns how much? It is a 200 per hour. Right now, that's what we know. Okay, what is the hourly wage? Okay, in each hour here, okay, what is the hourly wage? We need to calculate in each hour how much is the male casual worker earning. Male casual worker here, how much is he earning here? Okay, given that the male casual workers earn 48% more than the female casual workers here. So hence, are we not just looking for the value, increasing this 200 by how much? It is 48%. That's it. What else? Okay, 48% of 100 is how much? It is 48. 48% of 200 will equal how much? It is 96 here. Understand? Okay, it is 48% of how much? Of a 200 which you are talking about equals how much? It is equal to 96 here. Okay, now, so it means what? For male workers here, we can tell this one, it will be how much? It is a 200 plus a 96 here, which equals how much? It is 296 here, 296 per hour. Right now, so how much does a male casual worker earn in an hour? Means we can tell it is 296 here, and that is the answer.